Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh. You can count on me cause I can count on you.
We're here at the house of Katrip Moneyboy Cardenas. At syempre, bago kami umalis, papunta sa aming journey, kailangan naming mag-breakfast. Okay, good morning to everyone. Kami ang katrippers nyo sa umagang ito. Ako nga pala ang inyong katropang mahilig mag-trip, Kenneth De Castro. Okay.
Ako naman si Romel Iris Lazaro.
At ito ang katrippers nyong lahat.
Okay, ito ang unang destination natin sa harap ng rebulto ni Bonifacio.
Na-describe siya ni Guillermo Tolentino, meron siyang 24 statue. Tapos, tumingin ka sa taas, para siyang araw na may walong sa isang bansa. Very... Nalamin siya sa buong Pilipinas na sa... At ngayon, papunta na kami sa aming destination, sa Trinoma. At syempre, sasakay kami sa second popular transportation sa aming country. Ito ay ang
Bus.
okay. Yeah, go!
Pumunta kami ngayon sa bus papunta sa Trinoma.
Trip ko.
Trip namin lahat.
Natin may kita po ang MCU, Manila
Central
University.
Namin magbayad sa bus, hindi namin gawain ang mag 1, 2, 3. Tatlong try no.
Okay. Nandito lang po kami malapit sa Balintawa.
Thank you. We're here at the Balintawa Market. Yan pa. Ito na, nandito na kami sa Balintawa Market. Dito pa rin sa Caloocan. Masyadong madulo sa bahay. Yeah, boy.
Nandito na po kami ngayon sa Muñoz.
Nandito na ngayon kami sa may SM,
Malapit na po kami bumaba sa SM.
Ngayon papunta na kami sa North Edsa, SM City. Parang mag-shortcut papuntang Trinoma. Mas madali kasi dumaan
Nandito kami ngayon sa ilalim ng MRT sa Trinoma. Sa tapat ng kami sa Camden Met. Sa TSM.
Nandito na kami ngayon sa may harap kami Skydome at malapit na kami sa Trinoma. Ayan ang Trinoma, di ata yung harapan.
Okay, papunta na po kami ngayon sa Trinoma. Bali, nandito po ngayon tayo sa harap ng Skydome. Ito po yung entrance.
Now think about it. I've been to London, I've been to Paris, even way up there in Tokyo. Back home down in Georgia, to New Orleans, but you always did the show. And just like that, girl, you got me froze. Like a Nintendo 64. If you time would be wasted. They got nothing on you. Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. Nothing on you. Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. They might say hi, and I might say hey, but you shouldn't worry about what they say, 'cause they got nothing on you. Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. Nothing on you. Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. Everywhere I go, I'm always hearing your name. And no matter where I'm at, girl, you make me wanna sing. Whether a bus or a plane, or a car or a train, no other girls on my brain, and you the one to blame. Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted.
Nandito na po tayo sa upper entrance ng Trinoma Mall. Number derives from the word Triangle North of Manila. It's a large shopping mall in Quezon City, Philippines, owned by property development firm Ayala Land Incorporation.
Opened in 2007, this mall is located on the side of Efrain de los Santos Avenue, near the North Avenue MRT station in Quezon City, giving a significant market competition to the nearby SMCC North EDSA as one of the largest malls in the Manila metropolitan area. This is one of the biggest taxpayer in this city. The physical details of Trinoma Shopping Mall. The mall is composed of 4 major levels with 2 minor ones on ground and on green. The mall is characterized by alfresco areas punctuated with water features and landscaping. These water features flow in full at the Trinoma Park, an oasis that sits atop the mall. The Trinoma Park is 2-level park, spanning a total of 1 hectare. It is home to an array of restaurants offering variety of cuisine. The park also houses stages surrounded by pools of water for performances and shows. The Trinoma Park is linked to the mall's 3rd level. The mall has 2 parking buildings, North Avenue Parking Building and Mindanao Parking Building. The North Avenue Parking Building is currently undergoing construction for purposes of expansion. Parking is also available in open areas. Bakit mo bulat ka kasi? Mani ba?
Is located at the EDSA corner, North Avenue in Quezon City. Strategically located in North Triangle, the mall is bound by 3 major thoroughfares, namely North Avenue, EDSA, and Mindanao Avenue. Located on a 20-hectare parcel of land, Trinoma has a gross leasable area of 195,000 square meters, which include the mall's major anchor, the landmark supermarket, and department
Site of
store.
Trinoma used to be the location of the Divisoria of Saenza. A flea market built by Mayor Vigilor S. Simon Jr. as a livelihood project for informal settlers of Quezon City.